Mr. Wonka, our working conditions are getting worse by the second. My brother just drowned in chocolate, and my wife, she's at home pregnant with twins, and we can barely feed our lollipop guild.
Sounds like a you problem. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna scoop your brother out from the chocolate. You're gonna scrape all the chocolate off his dead body into this container. Cause now 1 ounce of chocolate is gonna go to waste. And then for your brother, just throw him in the furnace. Cause he's a piece of garbage and is probably...
Limited edition leprechaun flavored chocolate coming from the Wonka factory. Back to the podcast. Anyways, what we were talking about? We're talking about psychedelics. We're building on the levels and the notions of us
edibles
dissecting
like
psychedelics.
So would you guys do the DMT and all the other heavy shit?
Yeah, hell yeah, man.
I've heard enough from Angelo about DMT, and I'm just kind of like, it just sounds crazy. But at the same time, I'm very curious.
Maybe
it's like a 10-minute trip.
So like a microdose kind of.
But the 10-minute trip feels like life.
Yeah, it feels
that's
lifetime.
So that's
what I keep hearing podcasts too. It's like it's like you were there for 3 months and you have relationships with these characters that you get to meet.
And then it's like, oh, but you've only been gone for 10 minutes since you dose. So that's
great to me.
But at the same time, I'm still like,
that's a positive. I don't know.
I want to try ayahuasca. So.
Ayahuasca 16 hours and shit like that while you're shitting and puking with a shot.
I already do that with mushrooms. I might as well.
Actually, I actually did some research about this, and here in New York City, they do something called
they have LSD and
for depression.
They have psychedelic depression.
For depression.
So it's not just DMT.
They have ketamine.
Ketamine, that's the one.
It's ketamine. It's DMT.
I've done ketamine.
It's all of the above.
Ketamine is dope too.
So it's like for depression. So you have to be like, if you qualify for it,
it's psychedelics for depression.
So isn't that a good thing?
Oh, absolutely.
It's good. It works.
I mean, I will tell you this.
It works for like the people that went to war, not us. Like just being junkies.
I did shrooms
PTSD.
once. So me and Jason have done shrooms a few times. He got some shrooms off of the darknet. His darknet information is
from Canada.
So
send me Bitcoin, please.
He's starving here. So there was a time where he had like the leftover crumbs, and he was just like, "I don't want them. You could just keep them." I'm like, "All right, I'll do them at some point, but I know they're not gonna. I don't think they're gonna be that potent." Little did I know these crumbs potent. Are fucking stupid potent. I did them. They knocked me on my ass. I felt like I was dying. I listened to Audio Slave's first album, Chris Cornell. He's like, I gave you life and show me how to live. I literally went with the flow of the album up, and I came down when the album died. I was just like, how do I live my life after this album is like my life became a question of how do I live life from this point on after the album ended. So I remember going upstairs. I was already coming down, sort of. I put on Daredevil because Daredevil, the first season on Netflix, has just dropped.
Okay.
And they're showing the scene where it's the sun and chemicals spill on the kid's face. And I'm tripping out because everybody's head is like 3 times bigger than it needs to be.
It's like the Chicos were on the PlayStation 2.
So I was like, wait, why is this off right now? So my brain, and mind you, all of this, I couldn't sit down. I couldn't stand up. I couldn't make a decision for the life of my fucking brain because I had just come down from this trip that I was like, okay, so what do I need to do with my life now? And I just felt my indecision and my anxiety was like through the roof as I was coming down from it. So, and that's why like when people say this is like therapeutic, I'm like, how is this therapeutic when that's what happened to me? But given the scenario, exactly,
and they will give you a nice specific dose.
Given the scenario, my mind was just like, what's going on? Let's figure this out. We gotta stop it. So, yeah. I get it.
That was me after LSD. I went home to my parents, which is like insane anxiety. So
wait, was that when I dropped you home?
Yeah.
Wait, I dropped you home to your parents?
Yeah.
Oh,
wait,
fuck,
so
you drove
on acid? Yeah.
You drove on acid?
Allegedly. Kayla's car.
Allegedly, yeah.
No, I came down.
To the
I
Strokes.
came down.
Yeah, right.
And I asked you multiple times, we're good, and he kept fucking with me like, I'm good. I'm like, shut the fuck up.
I was like, do you see those cars there? Yeah, I see them too. We're fine.
I was like, Damien, stop. You kept fucking me the whole night, the whole time.
It was
the whole
me
drive
fucking
there.
with him, but it was me making sure I'm good. So I feel bad and I'm sorry.
Nah, it's all good. It made it great.
But it also made sure, it also kept me in check as I was driving you home. Don't do drugs, can and drive. That's the main takeaway here, right? Don't do drugs and drive?
Yeah.
Unless you have to.
Well, you're like the guy.
No, don't do drugs.
If you high, don't drive.
I was good. I would have not got into a car with Jason if I
still don't believe you, bro. At this point, that's what I kept asking you like every fucking second. I still don't
Did
believe
I get you home?
Yeah.
Like, but did you die though? Did you die though?
High as fuck. Your eyes didn't say yeah.
Exactly.
Did you die though?
It was like some mystic old guy. He's like, yeah, man, I'll drive you home.
What, Steve-O? Hey, Steve-O, is that you?
Yeah, pretty much Steve-O. Yeah.
It was like
I would
Steve-O.
drive you home in that.
It was like Steve or an episode of Reservoir Dogs. Oh, soldier, I'm gonna get you home.
Nah, you didn't reassure me at all, man.
No,
Your
no,
face.
I did. I'm like, I can get you home.
You drive pretty.
The problem didn't help the fact that you were still maxed out, and I was already just like, yeah, I could go home and sleep, or I could run a marathon, or I could take somebody home. Like I was so in euphoric mode, and Jason was just like, I'm euphoric, but I'm also like, yeah, mode. Exactly.
And you played the Strokes, and it felt like,
oh, I did play the Strokes on the way, and I played the Strokes on the way home to sort of help him calm down. Which I remember playing. We were playing
like
Call It Fate, Call It Karma.
Yeah, so it was Julia Casablancas. Like, imagine a guy singing into your ear. You know, you get that ear thing.
Like literally, we've quoted this on the podcast before. Picture a guy singing in your ears with his sunglasses on. Lewis is like, I remember this, but I don't want to.
Like right in your ear, I was like,
think of somebody singing in your ear like that.
I'll keep it in mind next time I'm high on Delta.
Right.
Yeah.
I will send you the track so you know what we're talking about.
No, so we did watch one video of Strokes High. When we watched Baby Driver.
Oh yeah, I think we watched. It
was the one Ode to the Mets, I think it was.
Yeah, Ode to the Mets or the Always Talking.
It was the one that keeps backing up. It's like a different story as the video backs up.
Oh yes. No, we did watch Ode to Mets then.
It's a dope one.
Yeah, but anyways, it was like the spine tingling feeling. It was like, stop whispering in my ear.
It's like that prickly thing. Stop it, you're tickling me.
Like I felt this breath. Like, I was like, dude, stop.
But at the same time, don't stop.
Yeah, I know. Dude, and I remember I went up to my parents and like my dad, like the visuals of their face.
Oh no,
this is getting bigger, smaller. The voices would get high pitched or low pitched. Like, yeah, Jason, what the fuck are you doing?
I don't know you were tripping that bad. I would let you hang out by me a little longer.
So what do? You just went to your room?
I ran up to my room and I watched How I Met Your Mother. Was
okay, gotta go to bed.
No, I didn't beat off.
Robin. No, I remember.
No. Like you jerked off until it bled.
The first time I did shrooms was like the first time I did shrooms was like that, minus the beating off. But I remember I was hanging out with Angel. And as we're doing shrooms in their basement, there was a point where his friend Kenny, he showed up, and when he showed up, he turned into the devil. His skin was bright red, and he had two horns on his head. And I'm just like, this is cool. I'm hanging out with the devil. This is all fine.
Dave Grohl.
Exactly. He was literally.
Nah, I met Kenny.
What were we watching before that? We were watching Pick of Destiny with Dave Grohl as the devil. So he manifested the devil as Dave Grohl. And was wandering around in Angel's basement apartment. But I was so chill. I was just like, fuck it, this is all right.
It's like, play me a song.
I'm scared of some other drugs though, like coke. I'm just scared because
I got some coke right here.
No, I didn't.
See,
don't look at him.
We've done coke once, you and I, Jason, allegedly.
Oh yeah, with that girl.
But I don't even know what that was coke.
By the way, yeah. I think they played the shit out of us.
I think they were like, let's give these fucking newbies coke, but we're gonna snort.
No,
we're gonna crush up a Tylenol.
You were there, yeah.
I coke blocked you guys. I literally told the gay guy, I was like, hey,
you told them not to give us coke.
I was like, don't give them coke. They're way too drunk and they've never done coke before.
And they were like, oh, no problem. We're gonna snort our lives to the death of tonight.
Yeah, no,
we're gonna give these fucking pussies.
I didn't feel it right. You guys doing coke with me there and me not stopping you guys because you guys were fucked up.
Fucking cock block. We would have been fine.
No, I'm scared of doing coke because I don't know if my heart can handle it.
I don't fuck with coke.
I don't know if my heart can handle it. I don't want to get a fucking stroke. Like I do.
Yeah, I get that.
And they just pass out.
Of all scenarios, that's what would happen.
That's what people overdose.
Yeah, that's where I don't fuck with it. Especially with the fentanyl craze now these days.
Yeah,
so
I don't know if you can see, guys. I'm holding a bag of coke.
Can I have some?
Can you guys see this?
I see
now
it. I
rubbing
see
my
it.
gums with cocaine.
I see it. Don't let your dog sniff it, motherfucker.
She's a
Back
coke
up.
dog.
She's a coke dog.
No,
She's
but,
his enforcer.
Nah, but yeah, they put the shit that like one hit will you're done. You're over.
But is it really like it sobers you up if you're really fucked up drunk? Like
Yeah.
the movie Flight?
like for
Can
me,
confirm that.
For me, it would
As-
wake me up like
I've hung out with a friend.
Okay.
I'm
Beep.
gonna block the name out.
Beep. Okay.
fuck it.
I hung out with my friend that time, and he was just like, "Hey, do you mind if we make a quick stop real quick before we go chill out on me?" I'm like, "Yeah, I don't care." And then we stop at this place, and he kind of awkwardly goes, "Yeah, so I just bought some coke from this guy, so we're gonna do some coke, but we're gonna go back and chill at our friend's house, so no big deal, you know, it's cool." It's like I'm playing cool. I'm like, I don't give a shit. I'm not gonna do
But
coke.
he's cool people.
And I
he
know
makes
who
you
he
feel
is.
safe. He makes you feel
I know
safe.
the dude,
yeah.
so I'm not gonna be like, okay, this is gonna be
he kissed me
crazy.
too. Huh?
Yeah, he grabbed me deep. So
Yeah.
so we get back
I
to the
wanna hug
crib, and I'm smoking weed and I'm drinking beers as him and his friend do coke. So I was like, this is fun. To the point where he still was able to drop me home to when I used to still live with Kedron and my mom
Lindenwood,
in
okay.
Howard Beach, and I saw how much rum he drank. He drank like a bottle of rum with his friend, and then he did enough
Just
coke. He
deletes
did
it.
enough coke that it was just like.
Yeah.
Like I was sitting next to him passenger side. I'm like,
It wouldn't even matter.
I was just like, wait, how is he?
You
Shit,
wouldn't know
looks,
until you do like a
he looks
blood-
sober to me.
a breathalyzer.
So
Yeah.
that's where coke is dangerous.
Yeah, it is. It makes you do way more alcohol than you
Yeah,
should.
you can kind of
Like right now.
you could balance your amount of alcohol intake on the behalf of how much coke you've done to sort of like erase it. So
No, I can't.
Good for coke.
yeah,
You guys know me. I can't control.
So then don't fucking OD,
Except for Jason.
Jason. I don't want to get a phone call
Yeah.
like, hey, come identify the body.
Yeah, you know my
God
body.
forbid,
I got
bro.
tattoos.
we would never want that. That's a fact.
Yeah, man. Don't
Just
OD.
take my dog.
I'll take your dog. I'll take your dog.
Lewis would take your dog. I'll cry in your apartment and then I'll take it over.
Yeah, honestly, take the apartment, man. It's
Somehow it ends up coming through too.
good. Yeah, word.
The last
Like
clause
over
when
there.
Jason died, it says has full liberties of the apartment too. Cut that.
I can't work. Yeah,
As they say in the
cocaine. They're talking about cocaine, by the way. Cut that. Megan, cut that. Cut that cocaine up. Chop it up for us.
cut that.
Yeah, I don't think I can pick up my wife tonight. I'm calling her an Uber.
Is she gonna be upset?
Yeah,
Oh.
but
Because
an
she's with
Uber,
us.
and Uber is safer than me driving drunk.
True.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh, exactly.
But
yeah,
is there
yeah.
something you can do to remedy the
Pay-
overall? Like,
Pay for the Uber?
yeah, but like, can you like, like show up with like something that she likes or?
Well, it was her birthday yesterday, and I bought her flowers. So you had a huge special
I saw.
day.
she's
Yeah,
good.
true.
So it was
Gucci.
good. So it's kind of like I was nice yesterday, so I can fuck. Therefore, I can fuck up today.
Yeah, it's a balance.
But there,
I don't know about that, but sure.
then again, it's
I'll
not really
allow.
fucking up because I'm doing the responsible thing by saying,
Yeah.
"Hey, I'm not driving tonight."
She's going to blame us, isn't she?
Oh yeah, she already hates you guys, so you know, it's the youth.
It's all
Fucking
good.
Damien and Jason, those fucking drunk drug addict motherfuckers.
I'm going to call her after this podcast.
When are they gonna get girlfriends?
And she says that only because she wants to go on a double date.
Yes, that's the real reason. Yeah.
Or a triple date. Imagine.
Oh, yo, give us time. I
Hey,
feel like
you can just go to Guyana. If I feel
I
like Jason
know.
has it the easiest. He can just literally go to Guyana, and pick like fucking Miss Guyana to
Yeah.
marry her.
Yeah.
And he's an American citizen. So he can.
Dude,
just,
feel like-
I
I
told
feel
you I
like-
want to go to Ecuador. I want to miss
I'm going.
Ecuador,
Yo,
dude.
Yo, I'm going for a
The
week.
fuck?
When?
You wanna come?
Yeah.
In
I told you. You said
after
no,
Thanksgiving.
You
after
said
Thanksgiving.
November. That's my birthday.
Yeah, after
November
after
26th.
Thanksgiving, your birthday. After Thanksgiving.
My birthday sometimes on
Yo, and
Thanksgiving.
I
What is
gotta,
it?
I gotta
This year?
hold.
Did you
25?
say your birthday sometimes after Thanksgiving?
On Thanksgiving. Before.
Oh.
The 26th.
Yeah, I remember.
It's the last Thursday of November.
I'm traveling the Sunday after Thanksgiving, coming back a week after.
If I
Dude,
quit my
I'm
job,
with
I'm
it.
down to go.
Yo, fucking come.
We'll see.
I'm getting.
I'll-
I'm
I'll
not staying with
fucking come,
family.
dude.
I'm staying in a hotel, and
Huh?
I'm not staying with my family.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm
and-
getting a hotel.
Yeah.
No, and I'm getting a hotel that's
Miss
attached
Ecuador.
to one of the main malls, so it's super
Right.
safe. Because as a
Yeah,
country,
yeah.
it's unsafe. But if you're
Yeah.
located inside the hotel, basically
At
they
least
ask you
you've got some.
immunity, kind
Yeah.
of.
So I'm
And
already
also,
the-
I made some couple
the
of
best
comic book
hooker
artist
there,
friends
dude.
there.
You made some. Oh yeah. I
comic
remember.
book. Yeah, so I talked to these guys in the podcast over there.
whoa,
The channel
wait.
is at Bernie Online.
No. We don't plug other podcasts.
I'm plugging.
And I'm not. I'm gonna bleep all of this because this guy's over here like, yeah,
folks.
I was in another podcast, but not yours, bro. Oh, by the way, you don't know how to check out at a fucking grocery store. Oh.
See, that's a big move.
So yeah, that's all plugged out, motherfucker.
Nah, see, that's fucked up because I actually plug your podcast when I go in there.
Oh, did you?
Every week after we record, I do.
Bullshit, because I've seen no jump in subscribers.
I mean, they don't listen. They don't like me.
Buy it.
They don't like my character there.
Oh, they got it.
I have a character.
Did you listen to it?
No. They don't like my character.
No, but I'm saying,
in the podcast.
Did you listen to it after the fact, like to confirm that they kept it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they stream it live.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
Yeah, what I'm saying is I play a character whenever I'm in live with them. And this basically is this rich guy who made his money off crypto and stuff. And
this is about to get too deep than it should be.
No.
So
and basically, I
fantasy then.
No, it's
money on crypto. Oh.
No, I don't need a lot of money there. So
Fair. I like this idea of you like sort of playing a character. I feel like we should do a podcast where we're playing characters because I
can play the same character.
I've done the deal where I've done like Detective Stewart and whatever.
We can do like a video.
That's actually a good idea. Like
a scripted podcast.
Scripted podcast.
Not even scripted. It could be all improv, but it's basically who the character you're playing is.
Yeah.
So basically, over there in Ecuador,
you have a video.
These guys, they think that I'm this fucking rich ass guy who just has money.
They think, they know.
Only because I've donated a couple of $100.
Oh, he is this rich ass motherfucker.
Yeah,
let's keep the vision alive, Louis. Let's keep it alive. Okay.
No, maybe I call him out. I call him out. Hey,
Tan rico,
we can share a snippet of this video of this audio.
We'll be right back. Get the fuck out. When you got 20 seconds left to drop off that pizza, otherwise it comes out of your wages. God, they gotta take away this 20 minutes or less. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Get the fuck out of my way. 5, 4, 3. Oh, fuck, I made it. 2 seconds left.
Yeah, who is it?
It's the pizza guy. I made it with 2 seconds left.
Yeah, but I wanted my pizza 5 seconds ago.
I know, but I'm under the 20-minute mark, so you have to pay for it.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to pay for it.
But you understand, if you don't pay me, that's coming out of my wages.
Sounds like a personal problem.
Okay. Can you at least open the door so I can give you the pizza?
Yeah, I guess.
I'm going to break my throat, motherfucker. 20 minutes left. That's Domino's.
It's like Luis Sanchez calls out the live misinformation in Ecuador.
Is that the economy's going to tank because you told him crypto, this guy? Do it on yourself.
Yeah, it's over, fam. It's over.
The whole country.
Nah, they're cool people. They're good. So, anyways, they actually create their own comics. They make them.
Fuck with that. We tried to do that.
Yes,
back like 20.
Yes, we did.
But
we weren't making we were taking pictures, which was a good idea.
It was like taking comics to another level, but not fully doing.
I did see it. One company
novel, sir.
One company did that.
Sir,
they were actually taking the pictures of whatever story they were trying to do, and it didn't last long.
If I could draw, I would have had like 16,000 comics already in the world, but I can't draw.
You could write though.
You could write.
You can write them all you want. You can sell them to anybody. And
I'm sure illustrate for me.
Even your fucking brother could do it.
I was just thinking
as a start.
Kendrick could draw some of my shit. What the fuck does the character mean? He's a fucking bitch.
Hey, listen.
Yeah, just draw you. Just draw you, kid.
Yeah, but hey, listen. Write the stories. Write the stories. They're gonna be short.
Would you guys get along though? This fucking.
I'm listening.
They're gonna be short arcs. Just do like a close story of whatever you want.
5 panels or extended?
No, like a short story, like 6 issues, and each issue could be fucking 10 pages. That's how you start. It's like a webcomic, so it's like the comic strip we used to watch in the
This is how Louis earns his cred on it. But I respect it because if you didn't say it, I would have been like, yeah, nah, fuck it.
Executive producer Luis Sanchez.
That's how you start.
Yeah,
he can draw. He can definitely draw.
And you could write. That's the thing. And I know your acting kind of sucks, but the writing is on point.
It's gotten millimeters better.
Of course. Because by doing it, just by doing something, you're gonna get better.
Exactly.
Yeah, just vote for Trump.
Just like put it this way: the first podcast we recorded, it wasn't like I'm sure this is shit, but it's still better than the very first one.
It's a podcast.
Yeah, no, it's good. I'm sure. Like
I can tell you
this is entertaining to somebody somewhere.
I have listened to the Scrubs podcast. I have listened. The only podcast that I've The only podcast
Alcohol.
the only podcast that I've listened to where it feels infallible and flawless is the Mark Maron podcast. I listen to Scrubs podcast. I listen to every other podcast that is in my regular repertoire, and there's these edits that just sound like shit. It's like, how do you cut there and still make it sound like a normal? Like, I can cut a podcast. Yeah, and I'm not trying to like up myself, like, oh, I'm a fucking like I know when to cut something where it still sounds normal to not make it sound like we're having a gap in a conversation. Like, we'll have gaps in a conversation to look at porn, like Lewis keeps putting on to the TV screen.
Allegedly,
that's a lie.
My phone fell and the dog walked over and
the dog's like titties. It clicked on all these hashtags and everything.
The dog tipped her to shore feet and shit.
Tip what?
You know. Hey folks.
Home equity something with life alert. Life alert. But
cat angels everywhere.
Cat angels everywhere.
Nah, but he got Obama. Who else got Obama on the podcast?
I did. He's like 3 up. I just did Tom. You guys were next. Obama's coming like 2 weeks later. I didn't get a confirmation, so I have a feeling he will come, but I cannot confirm.
I thought you were working on Trump.
Yeah,
he canceled
Guantanamo Bay. Yeah.
Oh my God! Imagine having
he backed out.
No. Seriously.
He got raided.
Imagine having a podcast with Trump on him, like with Trump talking to you.
He was the best podcast.
I just want to make a few things clear. This is the greatest podcast. However, if I had a podcast network for me, it would be phenomenal.
But they banned me.
It would just be like a jerking off like segment for like the next 45 minutes of him just like politics aside.
I wouldn't let that shit stand. I'm like, dude, shut
Rogan
the fuck up.
No.
Rogan is jealous. Yeah, he cannot got me.
Yeah, Rogan can wish.
I could have a podcast.
And he translated comic book
Mark
boy.
Maron, the liberal cuck, and Joe Rogan. I could have been on his podcast, but I decided not to be on his podcast because he would suck me off, and then he would become the governor of another country, and I want to be the governor of the country.
Yo, is this motherfucker gonna run again?
Book guy from Simpsons.
Oh, he's running.
He's running, but is it running on the GOP or no?
Oh, he's running again.
Yeah,
in the
he's
GOP.
gonna do.
In the GOP?
He's 100% gonna get the GOP candidate nomination, like he did the before.
You think so?
Oh, 100%.
I'm kind of hoping that he doesn't get it, so then he goes independent. So then he splits the vote of the GOP vote.
I pray that he does.
What other Republicans gonna
No, the Republicans with morals will not vote for him. They will vote.
They did before, though.
Because he was the only choice. Because he was in the GOP.
It's the same shit.
No, what I'm saying is what if he goes independent?
He's not.
Yeah, but what if he doesn't even get to the point of independent and he gets the GOP vote?
Okay, then.
Like he did before.
Once again, they prove the point that Republicans are evil. So
not even Republicans are evil. They're fucking stupid. And I say that, and you can confirm that for me. You can timestamp that for me. Republicans are stupid. I will not say they're evil. They are fucking dumb.
I'm sure they are, but all I'm gonna say.
Damien, speaking from experience, he voted for Trump twice.
All I'm gonna say is
just kidding.
I never voted for Trump, but I did pay less taxes when Trump was in office. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
That is
honestly,
not true. Not true.
That's very true.
Not true, Governor Romney. Not true, Governor Romney.
That's very true.
No. You pay less taxes.
No.
We pay less taxes.
I will argue that. I will argue that.
My rich cousin pays less.
Bro, I paid
way less taxes than me.
You made a face like I was. My voice was too loud in your ears, and I apologize.
No, but
it's true.
No, it is. You fucking idiot.
In my poor piss jobs that I've done since getting out of high school.
Yo, I'm telling Dean.
CVS.
Honestly.
Okay, hold on. Let him finish. Let him talk.
CVS, Starbucks. In Starbucks, I've never had to pay back the government any money. When Trump became president, that's when I owed government money. It wasn't until Trump became president that I owed the government money, and that is a fucking fact.
I can't think like I've never owed money.
It was because of at
all.
So in our can we surmise
Bush,
it's not the president's fault?
Biden,
Can I talk?
No.
When you had to pay for
it
was because you decided to go the cheap way with TurboTax instead of going to an accountant.
Not true, Governor.
It went to Damien's accountant.
Wait, hold up. No, can I talk? Excuse me. Excuse me. Let me talk.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, I've been going to the same accountant for years. Every year I've gotten money back.
I'm snitching.
Last year, this is the first year I had to pay fucking $11,000.
Mm-hmm.
We get a prize money for snitching. All right, never mind. Hey,
True.
go ahead. Sir.
No, you can fucking snitch what you want. The reason why I pay $11,000 is because I'm fucking doing things by the book.
Yeah.
That's one thing I will not fuck around here.
What
in this
says
IRS.
2 taxes not by the book, though?
The fact that you don't know all the ins and outs.
There is not a lot of ins and outs to know when you're just working a stupid job at
TurboTax.
Starbucks.
There's an
I've done
ins and
TurboTax,
outs
my son.
last year when you had your issues and my guy came through.
Put on porno again.
Oh, no.
And you got money back.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he did.
Oh,
He did. Yeah, he did.
I got like 500 back.
With the Trump accountant. All right.
Yeah, and that's $10,500 more than me because I pay $11,000.
Yeah, because you make more money than me.
No,
And you have more expenses. You have more
Well,
things.
you paid money? Or you married and shit?
I
Dude.
paid $11,000.
You
bro.
fucked
That's
up.
why.
All right, never mind.
That's
All
why I
right.
need
Yeah.
fucking.
I'm back on Damien's side. What am I? This is what happens. You have 3 friends. You decide. You pick. You pick both sides. You just,
Impractical Jokers meets TurboTax.
Yeah. You just lean both sides, whatever you feel like tonight. This guy, left fly, Louis.
All I know is
That's fucked.
I don't
Oh, of
trust.
course I got.
Wait, you're married, dude. Come on.
Yeah,
I don't
that's
think
not
there
the
has
case.
any. I
Ask,
don't.
ask my cousin. Andre has like
One thing that I can surmise is I don't think it has anything to do with Trump or
No,
Biden.
no. It
It
doesn't.
has to do with
the tax rate.
all the
is
it has to do with all the tax rate shit that's recurring between. One of my favorite things.
Obama.
No. But the thing with Trump.
Before you make
Trump
that thought,
he gave us
go ahead.
he gave the if
You gotta look
if
up
you're a
tax
different
breaks.
tax break.
Yeah.
If you made more than $125K, boom, tax break.
You got
Just
the
cause.
cut.
Just cause.
Yeah.
The one thing that I will not accept, and this is what all the conservatives that I don't support Trump, but now that Biden's president, I'm going to support Trump because I'm paying more for this and things are like. You don't understand the fact that in the last 4 years.
I told you an incompetence, sir.
The last 4 years, you don't have to deal with a pandemic. You don't have to deal with payouts. You don't have to deal with all the shit that Trump did. That Trump did retroactively. That he did late. Because he denied everything that occurred with the pandemic, which could have been preventative. So a lot of these expenses wouldn't have occurred on Biden's term. So fuck out of here with all of that shit.
Sure. Okay, fine. I give you that.
So-
Like Trump was just pretty much was on his way out. He was like, okay, fucking, there's no pandemic. There's nothing. I remember.
He legit was
Yeah,
like,
he fucked up.
Pandemic? There is no pandemic. I
It was
talked to
the China virus. It was a China virus.
China virus.
China.
I talked to the Chinese guy. He says nothing to worry about. Fuck you, you cocksucker.
And he still got vaccinated, you cucks.
And he still got he got triple vax,
Yeah,
bro.
you
He's,
got the booster,
he's probably
you
more
fucking
vaxxed than I am, and I'm
pussies.
only double vaxxed, bro.
I'm
Damien
gonna
vote-
pussy
hey,
ass
listen.
bitch.
I agree with
Damien
you.
voted Trump.
I agree with you 100%. But I'm still
After I
gonna.
voted him for 3 times, 1 time illegally.
I agree with you 100%.
The 5th time is great.
Yes.
But I'm still gonna play devil's advocate here and say,
No, go ahead.
at
What?
least Trump never fell off a bike, a standing bike, mind you.
Do we know that? No camera caught it.
So as far as I know, he didn't, because I never saw it.
Fair.
I saw my president fall down,
Uh,
just a boop.
it was pretty good. Have you seen that footage of him falling off a bike?
You never seen it, bro?
No.
Oh, let me pull it up
I
for
know.
you.
Biden doesn't know what day it
Jamie,
is
pull
tonight.
it up. Oh, pobrecito, as Luz would say.
Damien went there to support
He
his
was. Damien was
interest.
holding the camera. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
That was the filmographer.
Dude,
Biden, get the fuck up, Biden. Come on.
why'd you go to Delaware, honestly, you fucking cuck?
My grandpa lives there, motherfucker.
Yeah, Grandpa Biden.
Guess who you guys are voting for in 2030, motherfucker?
Trump.
Damien Brandon Stewart.
What a okay. Oh.
Oh, Lewis has pulled up the OnlyFans video of Biden falling.
He just pops.
He falls and then he starts sucking his own dick, and he's making millions.
Like nobody touched him. or
Nobody.
anything.
He just fell over. This is the guy running our country.
Yeah,
Great.
man.
I love to see this shit.
You guys know this.
I love to
Sleepy
see,
Joe
like,
Biden
I
needs
love
to
to
give
see-
me a cut break and pay
You
me
guys-
back the $10,000
Literally,
I
Sleepy
paid
Joe.
on my fucking
Sleepy Joe.
college loans.
You guys know
Honestly,
this. You
Trump
guys,
wouldn't be that bad.
You guys know
What?
this that Trump was the oldest elected president.
And he
Until-
Wait, he's
until-
older than Biden?
he never fell off a bike.
until Biden got
He's
elected
younger
as
than
president.
Biden. like
So now Biden's the oldest president.
by a couple
But-
years.
So who are we electing next? A fucking
Exactly.
mummy?
Exactly, dude.
Bernie Sanders. He's like
Oh my God.
87
So they just-
years old.
He's even
So they
older,
just-
older than all
So
of
they
them.
just paved the way.
this, Louis
They paved the way for Sanders to come in.
whatever the fuck you want, but you need to live in Vermont.
That's
And you
too
need
cold.
to lick my niece's
It's too
daughter's
cold.
pussy.
It's too
Maple
cold.
syrup.
You need to slather my wife's pussy in maple syrup, and then you are allowed to get
He's the one with
student loan.
He's the one with the Jew
forgiveness.
fro, right?
Yeah.
When he was young.
I do not have a Jew fro because that has negative connotations to it. However, vote for me.
I can tell her to show your her feet, but she.
Hey, yo.
Hey.
Hey,
Yeah. Anyways, like honestly, who do you vote for tomorrow?
I don't. Wait, tomorrow?
Yeah.
Wait, tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm voting.
Tomorrow is Tuesday. I'm like, oh shit! Tomorrow we gotta vote. It's a Tuesday.
It's election Tuesday.
When it?
Were you
No,
joking
no,
for real?
No.
no.
I'm
There was a
joking.
primary vote like last
Yeah,
2
I
weeks
missed
ago.
it.
I didn't vote.
I'm not
'cause
registered to vote.
You're not registered to vote.
The fuck?
No.
This guy's a problem. Hell him. All right, contact Louis
All right,
at louissanchez.net.
SNC Lewis.
I only
tell him he
only
needs to
that-
fucking vote.
I only
Louis
I am
dot
the
Ecuador.
I am the dumbass who only votes for New York City mayor and president. That's it. I don't vote for
Nah,
the
you're the senator,
I know. I
the councilman,
No.
the city
If anything, you're,
There's some
supposed to
things
vote for your local ones, the
Yeah.
ones in your neighborhood.
Yes.
Your city assembly, I think it is. City
Yeah.
something.
Councilman,
state of-
city
Council,
assembly, yeah.
something. Yeah, those are the ones
This
that supposed.
councilman, the state assembly.
Those are the ones that
Those
gonna
are
help
the
your
fucking
neighborhood.
assholes that make me do my job. I
Yeah.
get sent to Brownsville for somebody like lost his wallet in the corner.
Yeah, sorry about
Yeah.
that. I lost my wallet one
I
time.
have to go through and kick doors in just because he got like.
Oh, by the way,
me $3 for bacon, egg, and cheese.
By the
and
way,
I don't feel safe here. I'm like,
the wife
and
just
he
sent
didn't
me a
make me
text.
pay it cash.
Why am
What's
I
up?
being
What's the
sent
wife
here?
say?
The wife says, like, "Okay, I understand. You're hanging out with your boys."
Oh,
Oh
this
shit!
guy's good.
No, okay. She was like, "Okay, have fun. Just let me know by 10:30 so I can get a cab."
Oh,
See, this is why you need to get married to somebody who
Oh
understands.
shit! She said, "Have a good time."
that sounds.
See where I'm at 10:30. She's like, "Fuck this motherfucker!
Yeah.
How could you,
all I
motherfucker? You were
heard.
supposed to be my ride or die."
Nah, she's cool.
No, no, she's cool. She's cool.
I don't know.
Jason's like, I don't know, man. Maybe she is. Maybe she isn't.
Louis is scared.
Jason's like, "You can stay here, spend the night here if you want. You don't have to go home."
Sana, please.
I got a couch you could sleep on again, just like in California.
Sana, it's my fault. I'm sorry.
Don't remind me. of that
Ma'am,
shit.
again.
Sauna.
I literally
Jason's
tried to sleep for
apologize.
5 minutes on that couch, and I was like, "Fuck out of here! I'm not fucking sitting on no fucking couch." And I just walked over to Jason, like, "Jason, move the fuck over! I'm sleeping over there in that bed."
And then he pulled up his pants and he's like, "Okay, I guess."
Jason, I'm sorry. Jason is the skinniest motherfucker I ever met. I saw him in shorts. I was like, "What the fuck? Why are your legs so fucking skinny?"
Yo, why you leg shaving, son?
I'm mad. I
That
wish,
shit's scary
I
though.
wish you would look at my
It's
legs
it's
like
the
that.
size of my arm. Look at it.
Yeah.
Your thigh is the size of my arm. Look at
Yeah. My mom told me to eat.
I wish somebody would look at my legs like that.
it. Nah, you're like a ham.
A ham that can't check out at a grocery store versus 6
Word. Yeah.
I let that go, my friend. I let that one go. a long
let
time
it
ago.
go. You lies. Lies.
I let that one go.
He was-
You
he
think
was-
how hard when he said that.
He was so smitten when I said he's like, "Yes, motherfucker, say it. Say all the truths that you want on this mic. Say it all."
I mean, you got like fucking 5 years experience working in CVS cashier, and you couldn't fucking use the fucking self checkout.
I used it
It's
fine.
embarrassing.
You're the one talking shit. I just needed a tap, and there was no.
You were tapping like a all
I
over
didn't
the
even
fucking
tap.
screen. You were,
I
with that,
did-
you took
nope,
that card. You took in
nope.
the front, the top, the bottom, and you
I
were
did,
like,
bro.
side
You
to
guys
left.
took a minute, man.
He is 100% fabricated.
And
I
then
didn't
I
even
was like,
tap the
bro,
card.
you know, you just have to take it and put the chip inside.
Jason went outside. I
Yeah.
swiped
for
my
5
card.
minutes. For 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I
for 5
swiped,
minutes, I was
I
waiting for
swiped
you
my
guys.
card.
Something's
I
like-
didn't tap or anything.
I was
just
gonna walk
swiped my
back
card.
in.
Yeah, and the swipe didn't work. After
And I didn't tap or anything like that. I inserted it afterwards because you were like, "You need to make sure you insert your card, you stupid fuck." I didn't tap. I didn't
He's
do
right, though,
anything.
you-
I swiped. The swipe didn't work, and I inserted the
nope,
card.
you were tapping. You were tapping at the top,
Nope.
the bottom, left,
Nope.
right.
Nope.
And then
he's fucking lying.
And then
he
he
is
got-
1,000% lying.
You gotta notice
is a
on,
lying
on the thing it
motherfucker.
said, "Please insert
Yes.
your thing, your
because
card." And
it
then
said, "Please insert after I swipe."
And then
He
he
is
said,
a lying
"Insert."
motherfucker.
No, he's like, "Let me swipe."
I swiped already, you lying cocksucker.
No,
he is a
you
lying
tap,
asshole.
You tap,
This
then
motherfucker.
you slide, and then
this
when I
motherfucker
told you, when I
is
told
lying
you,
through
when
his
I
asshole
told you,
and his
insert.
teeth. He is lying.
And after you insert it, you were talking so much shit that you forget to hit confirm. So I was the one who tapped, who touched the screen. The touch screen.
You were so embarrassed because I got so loud and obnoxious that you went outside with Jason. You didn't stick around. He went outside with you, and that's when I was still yelling, "Oh, is this how I do it, Louis? Is this how I fucking do it?" And even the cashier,
I was about to come up.
Like,
like, "Excuse me, sir, do you need any help?"
we got an angry white boy here. We should probably stop this now.
He's a very special boy.
He's a very special boy for a very special day.
Yo, imagine Damien censors the whole thing. Like
You're just gonna hear beep beep.
Hey,